Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer chatbots from ManyChat into WhatsApp automation step by step clearly. To transfer chatbots from ManyChat into WhatsApp automation, first, ensure you have access to both your ManyChat and WhatsApp business accounts. Log into your ManyChat account and navigate to the chatbot you wish to transfer. Export the flow by selecting the desired flow and clicking on the export option. Download the exported flow as a JSON file to your device. Next, log into your WhatsApp Business API account. Set up the environment to receive the chatbot flow by ensuring that your WhatsApp Business API is properly configured. Access the documentation for your WhatsApp integration platform to facilitate the import process. Open the JSON file that you exported from ManyChat to review the flow structure. Adapt the JSON structure to match the format required by your WhatsApp automation system. This may involve changing certain parameters or adjusting the flow logic to align with WhatsApp's messaging capabilities. Once the JSON file is correctly formatted, go back to your WhatsApp Business API account. Locate the option for importing or creating a new flow and upload your adapted JSON file. After the upload is complete, test the flow within the WhatsApp environment to ensure functionality. Engage with the bot using various prompts to verify that it responds as expected. Make any necessary adjustments based on your testing results to refine the conversations. Once you are satisfied with the performance, deploy the WhatsApp chatbot for your audience. Monitor user interactions closely to optimize and enhance the experience over time. With these steps, you can successfully transfer and set up your chatbot from ManyChat to WhatsApp automation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.